Welcome back to Little Bites Kitchen. Today we're making delicious and healthy breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Ideas for your 8-month-old baby. All meals are simple, nutritious, and perfect for growing little tummies. Breakfast rice flour and pear mash. You'll need 20 grams of rice flour, 40 grams of pear, 80 milliliter of water. First, cook the rice flour until soft and smooth. Steam the pear separately until tender, then mash it gently with a fork. Now mix the mashed pear into the cooked rice flour for a creamy texture. Rice flour provides easy-to-digest energy and iron, while pear adds natural sweetness, fiber, and vitamin C to support digestion and immunity. A light, gentle start to your baby's day. Lunch: egg yolk, potato, and zucchini mash. Ingredients: 1 boiled egg yolk, about 18 grams, 0.30 grams of potato, 20 grams of zucchini, 1 teaspoon, 5 milliliters olive oil. Steam the potato and zucchini until soft. Mash them together with the boiled egg yolk. Add a little water to get your desired texture. And finally, mix in olive oil for healthy fats and smoothness. Egg yolk provides protein and healthy fats for brain development. Potato gives energy and vitamin C. And olive oil supports heart and brain growth. Dinner: beetroot and apple puree.
You'll need 30 grams beetroot, 30 grams apple.
First, boil the beetroot until soft. In the last 3 minutes, add the apple and cook them together. Blend with the cooking water until smooth but thick, not too watery. Beetroot is rich in iron and folate for blood health, while apple adds vitamin C and fiber for digestion. a beautiful, colorful dinner that your baby will love. And that's our 8-month baby food. Plan number 7, 3 simple, healthy, and colorful meals made with love from Little Bites Kitchen. Don't forget to follow, and subscribe for more baby food ideas from 6 months and up, because every little bite helps your baby grow stronger and healthier.